Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I will show you how to do the one sample t-test in SPSS. So here I have a dataset of 25 students and their national math exam scores, and I want to see that if their mean score is above 82 or not. So the null hypothesis will be that the mean score is not above 82, and our alternative hypothesis will be the mean score is above 82. So to do the test, we'll first select the Analyze tab and select the Compare Means. From the Compare Means, we'll select one sample t-test, and in this window, we'll select the Math exam scores to the test variables section, and we'll put the test value as 82 since we want to test it against 82, and click on Options, and we'll check that if the confidence interval is 95% or not. Since it is 95%, we don't need to change it. And for the missing values, we'll give exclude cases analysis by analysis and click continue. Finally, click OK. This will generate the results for the t-test. The first table is showing the observations, mean, standard deviation and standard error. The second table is about our t-test values. We can see that our t-test value is minus 1.894. Our degree of freedom is 24, and we can see that our p value is 0.070, which is greater than 0.05, which means that we cannot reject the null hypothesis, meaning that the math score, the mean math score is not above 82. And if we look at the mean, we can also see that the actual mean is 80.68, which is less than 82. And we can also see that the 95% confidence interval upper and lower values. So this is how we can do the one sample t-test in SPSS. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.